All right, moving on to number 3. What is the molarity of 4 grams of NaCl with a molar mass of 58.45 in 3,800 milliliters of solution? So we're still using the same equation. We're using molarity, and it's asking us to find molarity. So we need moles of solute over liters of solution. But the problem we run into right away is they give us grams of solute, grams of NaCl, instead of moles. So we're going to have to use molar mass to find out how many moles of solute we have before we can plug this in. But let's set that up first. So number 3, we want to find the molarity of this equation. So molarity equals some number of moles of NaCl divided by liters of solution. And they give us milliliters. So I'm going to grab my conversion sheet. My conversion sheet says that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So if we take our 3,800 divided by 1,000, we're going to get 3.8 liters. And you'll get really good at this by the time this is over. So now we need to go and grab our moles, or our grams, and convert into moles. So 4 grams of NaCl. And we're going to use our conversion factor, big parentheses. And if I have grams on top, I always want grams on the bottom so they cancel out. And that is where we're going to plug in our molar mass. And they gave that to us, so we don't have to grab our periodic table and calculate it. So we have 58.45 grams of NaCl is equal to 1 mole of NaCl. So 4 times 1 is 1, divided by 58.45. And I did this math ahead of time because I can't record and calculate on my phone at the same time. And I got 0.0684345 something. So 0.0684345. And when I do this, I always just leave the number exactly as it is in my calculator instead of rounding as I go. But again, if you get something close to what I got and I can just tell you rounded differently, that's fine. So now we can take that number divided by 3.8 because we've got our equation set up and ready to go, and molarity will be equal to 0.018 moles per liter.